Let's make some 200 USDTs profits with crypto arbitrage bots. So we are trading crypto arbitrage using arbitrage bots, and we'll be using Binance. You heard me right. I'm making what you don't make in a day in just some few minutes. I have a capital of 800 USDTs. I don't fear risking. That's why I'm making 200 USDTs profits with the Ranquil. Actually, we'll fund our Binance, will withdraw from Ranquilly to Binance so that you can confirm that we are making serious money with this trading thing. So make sure you have your Ranquilly account. I won't beg you to have it because I've made so many videos. For those who have this account and is funded, let's get to it. So you'll come, fund your account. Make sure you try at least 1,000 USDTs. Then you will unlock your trading bots, and today we'll be trading with this bot, Dual Path Pro bot. It is in Ranquilly. So we are trading crypto arbitrage trading. In simple terms, crypto arbitrage trading is buying assets at a lower price on a centralized platform. You sell them at a higher price on a decentralized platform. So our centralized platform is Binance, and our decentralized is Ranquilly, I'm sorry. It is trading between Bitfinex and Binance. That's where it will scalp the profits. And the pair is XRP and USDTs. So this XRP is not a chemistry word. This is just a crypto coin. It's not you just don't hear USDT. You think it is a chemical or a chemistry word. No. We are trading at a profit of 217, a loss at 42. This is the loss margin, not the loss in terms of USDTs or what. This one is called live spread. So we'll just deploy our bot, and we won't do 30 USDTs. Let's do around 300 USDTs and make at least double. We always want to make double. You can see the best case will make 651, and if we hit a loss, it will be 126. But with me, I'm a master in crypto arbitrage trading, no losses. So it came to 525, but it will take us 2 hours for these funds to be released. So the bot is still scalping. It doesn't scalp 525 USDTs at once. No, it scalps slowly. So if it turns red, make sure you are sure that it will end in profit. So let's make a withdrawal very fast. People do say that this is a scam, you can't withdraw, blah blah blah, many stories. Let's withdraw just here, TRX. You go to your Binance, you copy your address, and we can refresh. You see we have 800.44 to be specific. So we'll go and withdraw here, withdraw. You can comment how much you want us to withdraw in the next video, and how we can help you make 200 USDTs in a day. So we'll withdraw 202. We want to hit 1,000 and confirm. So we wait for some minutes, like 5 minutes, then our funds will be in Binance, and I will show you here. So we can't wait here. We just pause and we wait for it, because it takes some time. As we are making some profits, we withdraw some, we enjoy. That's life. Paid. If you hear that voice, that is a very expensive voice. That is a very expensive notification. That notification, you might be waiting it in a month's time, but we wait it in less than 5 minutes time. To 1,000, my guys, to 1,000 USDTs using AI trading bots. Actually, they are trading bots. Let's call that. They are trading bots, arbitrage trading bots. Withdrawal approved. Withdrawal approved. You can see our trade is still ongoing, and our withdrawal has been approved to our Ranquilly, to our Binance account. So once it is in Binance, you just convert to your local currency. Just some minutes, you convert to your local currency. So that's how it works. Make sure you are trading with tranquilly. Make sure you are making profits and you are making withdrawals. Let's check in transaction history. I show you that it has been approved. Is it in pending? Let's refresh, my guys. They haven't, it was approved, eh? Let's wait and check. Let's wait and check. For those who saying you can't withdraw, then you tell me, what is this? Withdrawal approved. That's it. We are out. Let's make profits.